Hi everyone, welcome back toEssa's Corner, and for today, we will be talking about Abib's Heartleaf TECA range. I'm not sure if you've seen my previous videos. If not, go watch that one wherein I unboxed all these goodies that I received from Abib, and seeing all the Heartleaf TECA range that they've sent me, I decided to use at one point to use just those Heartleaf TECA range, and here's my honest reviews and thoughts about this. This is my scripts. And now let's talk about the Abib Pore Cleansing Oil Heartleaf Oil Wash. So that's their first cleanser, especially if you double cleanse, you're wearing makeup like what I'm doing right now. By the way, this makeup is from Fui. I received a parcel from them as well, and I love this color. Anyway, ADHD of tangent. So now, if you're doing, which I highly recommend, if you're double cleansing your face, especially if you're wearing makeup or you've worn sunscreen in the morning, you've been out and about with all the pollution and dirt and grime on your face, double cleanse. And so you could use an oil, you could use a balm. For the first bit of the double cleanse, I use the Abib Pore Cleansing Oil Heartleaf Oil Wash. So this oil wash contains Helanthus annus, which is a sunflower seed oil, Simonsia chinensis, which is jojoba oil, seed oil, Houttuynia Cordata extract, heartleaf, that's the heartleaf. And what makes it unique is that it melts off my makeup, or it removes all the grimes and impurities on my face. And then the jojoba oil mimics skin's natural sebum, helping balance oil productions. And the heartleaf, obviously it calms the redness, or if ever my skin barrier is broken at one point, and so it helps calm the redness, the broken skin barrier of my face while cleansing my face. So it's perfect for sensitive or acne prone skin. That's the Heartleaf TECA. What I noticed about their cleansing oil also was that it's very light. Like, I've tried a lot of cleansing oil before, and I have to tell you that there are some cleansing oils that's a bit heavy. They do the job. It's just that for some reason they're really thick and heavy. You'll think that being an oil across board, they're the same in texture and in the way they feel, but this Heartleaf TECA feels very light, which I appreciate, and also it does its work. It's very good. And then after the oil, then I use the Abib Heartleaf Foam Cleanser Gentle pH Balancing Cleanser. And if you follow my channel, you know that I'm not a big fan of foaming cleanser, but for the sake of this experiment, I did try that one. And so first the cleansing oil, and then this foamy cleanser. Ingredients is the same, well, more or less. The ingredients for their cleanser, for their foamy cleanser, is a heartleaf extract, the Houttuynia Cordata, Centella Asiatica extract, and then panthenol. So what makes this cleansing foamy cleanser unique is that it's low in pH formula that protects the skin barrier because of all the ingredients that is in there. It calms irritation while cleansing, non-stripping, and great for daily use. That's what it claims to be. And what I noticed that in comparison to other foamy cleansers that are used, is very stripping and very harsh on my skin. This one is a bit gentler. Notice the word, I said a bit. It is a bit gentler, but it is still stripping off my natural oil. So it is not something that I would still use regularly, like a gentle gel cleanser. That is what I regularly use. But I did notice that it is not that stripping. It is cleansing on my face. It's a lot more soothing. But yeah, it's still not my ideal cleanser. After double cleansing my face with the oil and then the foamy cleanser, I was given a Heartleaf TECA toner pads and a Heartleaf TECA toner. So I tried the toner pad first. It's a Abib Heartleaf Spot Pad calming touch. This is a mild exfoliating toner pad. That's the thing with toner pad. Like the toners, just the regular toners that you got, you could put it on your face. You don't need to put them on the pads and then do your face. What you could do is put it on your hands, pat your face with it for extra hydration before you put in the rest of your serum, essence, moisturizers, and all the other products that you use. You could use that, and also toners as well. For those milky toners, you could put it in a spray bottle and then could be used as misting spray on your face. So now those are the toners. With a toner pad, because they're already on the pads, what often happened was that you put them on your face, you let them stay for a while for a lot more hydration effects, like a face masks. And the exfoliating factor happens when after you've put them on your face and then you were rubbing it all over your face. So that's the exfoliating aspects happening. So I tried that one. The exfoliating pads being a staple Heartleaf TECA range. It contains the Heartleaf, panthenol, and honeysuckle flower extract. So what makes it unique is it provides light exfoliation without harsh acids because of the Heartleaf and the panthenol and the honeysuckle flower extract that it contains. And so, and also because it's in a pad, so it's light exfoliation. It calms breakouts if you've got any breakouts, acne, pimples, or some blackheads on your face. It calms them down while smoothing skin features. And like I said, toners in general, they are perfect to prep your skin for layering hydration for before you put on your essences, toners, serums, essences, serums, so on and so forth. And then I did also use, after I've used the spot correcting pads, I did use the Abib Heartleaf Calming Toner Skin Booster. Ingredients again is the Heartleaf, Centella Asiatica. It's got sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate. So now, this calming toner skin booster contains Houttuynia Cordata, Centella Asiatica extract, sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate is just another form. Actually, because of the word sodium, they said, based from Google, it's a salt form of the hyaluronic acid. This is the salt form of the hyaluronic acid, and it says that it plays a vital role in moisture retention and lubrication. So that is what the calming toner skin booster contains. Again, it is soothing and deeply hydrating because of the key ingredients such as Heartleaf, Centella Asiatica, the hyaluronic acid in salt form, panthenol. This is great for sensitive and dehydrated skin and layers beautifully after the spot pad. You could use them, you could interchange them, it doesn't matter. And also, like I said, you could put them in a spray bottle, the toner skin booster spray bottle, and then just use it as a mist, face mist. That would also be good. Now, after those toner pads and toners, I've used the Heartleaf Spot Difference TECA Serum. I've got another bottle. I've finished my first bottle that I received from Abib, and you watch my shorts. Please watch my shorts. There's a time, I think that was last week or the week before that, wherein I had a wax burn on my face. I can't even remember now which side was it. I think it was this side. I got a wax burn on my face, and the Heartleaf TECA Capsule Serum is such godsend because it calms. I was so worried because obviously it's a burn, so I was so worried that it will scar. It's really big on my face. I was so worried that it would scar or that it would leave a mark. Obviously, scar marks, they're the same. I was so worried, and that I started putting them on my face. It calmed. it calmed the burn area, and there's no scar. There's no scar whatsoever. I'm so impressed. And it was just, I think first day, obviously it's very bright red. Second day, it's dry and tight. It's very obvious. Third day, it started to die down. It started to look normal. Fourth day, you hardly recognized her. And then after 1 week, it's gone. It's gone. I was so impressed with that one. So, TECA Serum, it contains TECA. TECA means titrated extract of Centella Asiatica. What is the...
This is feature Vanessa. While I was editing this video, I just realized that I kept on describing the Heartleaf range across board as Heartleaf TECA, wherein this serum, this specific serum, is the TECA one. The rest of the Heartleaf are just like a Heartleaf range. So just to clarify that, while I fast forward this research that I was doing.
I don't know what the titration means. I kept on like basically titrated extract of Centella Asiatica, also known as TECA, is a highly concentrated extract. Highly concentrated. So basically, this serum, this Heartleaf TECA Capsule Serum, is a highly concentrated serum. Highly concentrated Centella Asiatica. And it also contains the Heartleaf, which is the Houttuynia Cordata extract, Madecassoside and panthenol. And this is why my wax skin burn got healed quite quickly, because it says here it repairs and strengthens skin barrier, reduces redness and irritation, which is what I had, and great for calming reactive skin, which is what I had when I had that wax burn. So yeah, that was me using all the range of Abib Heartleaf range, all the green range of Abib. And I have to tell you, I have been a great fan of Abib since the first time that I've used them, since the first time that they've sent me a PR box. And I would not stop recommending them again and again because of lived experience. I had a wax burn and then it got healed with no marks. So just saying, okay? So if you're looking for a product where it's very gentle and soothing and calming to your skin, especially if you've got a very, very sensitive skin, I highly recommend this Abib Heartleaf range. They're really good. So like I said, if your skin needs some soothing, some calming, some barrier support, the Abib's full Heartleaf range, Heartleaf line, is honestly my favorite skincare routine. The Heartleaf, this one, I've got another box of this ones. This is the one that I always need to have on the side. This is one of my staple products that I use. I don't use it as often, mind you. I don't use it often. I don't use it every day. But if my skin needs, if there's a breakdown in my skin barrier, I've used some products that just ruins my skin barrier and cause irritation, redness, and whatsoever. Immediately, this is the one that I grab to calm and soothe my skin. So yeah, thank you for listening to me sing praises to this brand and to this product line. And yeah, and hope to hear from you soon. If you've tried your product, give me your impression, give me your reviews, give me your honest opinion about this product, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next time.